Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows security not opening Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps and Features. Type Security in Windows search bar, click 3 dots, click Advanced Options. Click Repair, if same error still exists click Reset. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.